Hey there, thrill seekers. Welcome to a world where adrenaline meets sophistication and raw power. We're talking about the BMW M4, a beast that's more than a car, it's a driving sensation. Starting with the exterior, the BMW M4 serves up a visual feast. Aggressive lines, a sculpted hood, and the iconic kidney grille that screams high performance. This isn't just a car, it's a statement on wheels. Inside, you're greeted with a cockpit tailored for the driver. M Sport seats that cradle you in comfort and support. An intuitive infotainment system keeping you connected without compromising on the drive. But the real showstopper lies under the hood. The BMW M4 sports a heart-stopping engine delivering a performance that'll set your pulse racing. 0 to 60 in a flash, this car is the epitome of rapid. But it's not all about straight-line speed. The M4 is a precision instrument designed for agility. Adaptive suspension, responsive steering, and dynamic driving modes turn every twist and turn into pure delight. Whether you're ripping up city streets or ruling the racetrack, the BMW M4 is in its element. It's not just a car, it's a performance masterpiece begging to be pushed to the limit. To sum it up, the BMW M4 isn't just a car, it's a symphony of performance, a fusion of luxury and speed that epitomizes the joy of driving. If you're after an experience that goes beyond the ordinary, the BMW M4 is ready to deliver.